Hi, Richard here from PR Technology. Thought we'd take this opportunity to show you something pretty interesting. We've been working on this little 914 here, and we're dummying up the engine power pack on our jigging table while we're doing some work to it. We had a Porsche club meeting here last night. We set this up on display and we thought no better opportunity to show you all what's going on with this little power pack. We have a 964 based engine which hasn't been built yet, so this is just the dummy engine. You can see it's got a couple of little turbochargers on it, some G25 660 Garretts. Turbochargers have been mounted on the side, part of the engine mount arrangement. Turbochargers have a sump that run into a 993 turbo oil pump arrangement at the back here that evacuates the turbo sumps. Turbos sit very low on these cars, so evacuating the oil out of anything from the bottom of the engine and turbo assembly is really important, and that's got to come to the oil tank, the dry sump tank that's fitted in the car. We've got extractors underneath the engine. All the pipework you can see has been covered in stainless steel and ceramic lined heat insulation, which is really important on any mid-engine car because the engine sits in the middle and there's a lot of heat problems. So a lot of time and effort has to be spent on all the insulation for any mid-engine car. You can see on the end of the camshaft housing here we have a Kinsler mechanical fuel pump. None of that's connected yet. There'll be fuel rails that run on top of the billet adapter plates that run from the GT3 plenums down to the 964 heads. So there's billet adapter plates that take care of that job for us. On the sides we have PWR cores with custom tanks and pipework to fit the 914. We might show you some photos later of the guards and everything for the 914, but it's been widened and modified to accept the intercooler cores. The 964 engine is matched to a Hollinger sequential 6-speed gearbox, or transaxle, probably a better way to put it. So that hangs out the back of the car. Up the top here, you'll notice that the intercoolers connect to the manifold at the top into a common throttle body, so that'll be fly-by-wire, the Bosch motorsport throttle body. And then we've got a titanium endpoint to the exhaust, so from this point forward, which sits in the boot area of the car, so that sits outside the normal engine area of the car, we have a custom titanium exhaust system. The mufflers incorporate the wastegate pipes, so they come out the top, so this will all come out through the top of the boot lid. So, pretty interesting project in all. What's the car going to be used for? The car's really made as a track day car, so it's been developed over many years. It's had different engine gearbox combinations. It's got Motec, it's got a lot of data logging, it's got a full chromoly roll cage. So it's made as a platform to have fun with at the racetrack and to learn to drive and get the data and have fun. Looks pretty impressive, and from the point of view of having a power pack on the bench, I reckon it's pretty interesting.